For the past 6 years, I've been living in Africa. I was born in Jamaica, raised in Jamaica, then moved to America, raised some more in America, and then I decided to go to Africa. You know, growing up, I heard people like Bob Marley singing about Africa, people like Peter Tosh singing about Africa. I read books on Marcus Garvey telling me about Africa, so I said, let me go check Africa out. So I got on the plane in 2019, arrived in Gambia, West Africa, the 1st of January 2020 on New Year's Day, and I bought some land there, built a property there. I even have a family in Gambia. So now I'm in America for a little bit, and I thought I'll use the time to share my experience in Africa. For those of you who may want to experience Africa one day, you can use this as maybe a little guide, and you can draw from my experience.